Hello guys, so today we are going to be cleaning these dirty Nike Court Visions that I have. So I got these a couple months ago and really haven't cleaned them since, so we're going to give these a nice clean, not a deep clean or anything, just a clean to get all the scuffs off. Won't be too perfect, but that's not what I'm looking for. Just a nice clean for my shoes and yeah, should be good. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I'm starting by getting this cleaning brush with some soap on it and some hot water to just get all the scuffs off, and that's really all I'm going to be using today, and drying it off with a paper towel. Really all I need, don't need anything fancy, just get the job done. That's all I really recommend. Alright, so here I'm just cleaning the other side of the right shoe, in case you're confused. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And here I am drying off the right shoe, and then after this I'll be moving on to the left shoe, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to subscribe if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of any new videos. Okay, so in this point, I am currently cleaning the underside of the shoe. Now, I'm not looking for perfect results, and at the end, you might notice that there's still a couple specks of dirt in it. And I'm really not looking for perfection here because there's really no need to, because they're just going to get all dirty again. And you can't get rocks in them. It's just natural, and nobody can really see the underside of your shoe, so not looking for perfection here. Moving on to the left shoe. Enjoy.